The benefits of the OTD program here at PC truly are limitless. You are going to be covering all of the classes that are going to prepare you very well. It is a rigorous curriculum, but we allow you, the student, to pick what you are passionate about.
I firmly believe that a prospective student should choose PC-OTD because of its uniqueness. I think it's a word that encompasses PC because we get to work with this community in ways that is not offered at other areas.
The main reason that I chose PC was because not only was it so close to home, it also made me feel like I had a family here.
We do a lot of things to really build relationships amongst each other because in the future, these are your coworkers.
I can go to my professor at any point in time, or I can go to a classmate. The close-knit relationships that we have here with our faculty members, the classroom sizes, you are not a number here. You are seen.
The facilities here are second to none. We have our own building called Bailey Hall. You are going to find a lot of resources for sensory experiences, whether with children or adults. A lot of mat tables throughout our labs as well, where you are going to get to practice on other students. One of your courses, you are actually going to be making splints on each other. That's a pretty challenging thing to do, but here at PC, we want to make sure that you get exposure to that.
We are smaller and the ratio of student to staff is wonderful in my opinion. I work one-on-one with a professor going through what I'm seeing. They show up to support us at what we plan and what we do and are invested in what we do.
The community experiences have just really put us on the map here at PC, and we have done numerous activities within the community that have really spotlighted what occupational therapy is and what this OTD program is all about. One that it's just so near and dear to my heart is we were able to go into a maximum security prison this past summer and work with inmates who are serving life sentences. And this is merged with our mental health course, and the partnership between us and them has been such a positive one.
A service-related project that I have done, sensory nights every single Thursday. I enjoy my time with the children, getting to be there with them, teach them different things, and at the same time enjoy with my classmates.
We get to be pillars and really learn how to serve as a community servant, which will serve us better as clinicians, being able to understand people come from all different walks of life and to not forget gap areas or people who may not be able to receive services.
The OTD program here at PC is beautifully located between the upstate and Columbia, and about an hour to get to the mountains, a couple hours to get to the beach. We're located in a spot that if you want to get away over the weekend, pack your bags and go, but make sure and come back to class by Monday.
PC-OTD is dynamic and rewarding.
Outstanding and excellent.
I always like to say we are small, but we are mighty.
A family.